Did you want to calculate VAT and discount automatically in Excel? In this video, I will show you how to add VAT or tax and discount using simple Excel formula. Many countries use VAT on products and services like 5% or 10% or 15%. Let's see the price in the cell D2 and VAT is 5%. To calculate VAT amount, type equal 5% star D2. Press enter and Excel will calculate the VAT value. We make sure the value by calculator. You can use this for invoices, sales report, or product pricing. Excel will calculate VAT for hundreds of products in a second. Let's learn how to add discount in Excel. If this video helped you, like this video so more people can learn Excel easily. Now we can add discount in a total prices. Type equal 3% or 5% or whatever. Start F8. F8 because it's include the total price. Subscribe for more Excel and tech tutorials. I hope to see you in the next video.